Today, we'll be taking a look at the buzzer assembly on this Whirlpool front-load washing machine. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, you must first remove this top panel. Now in order to do so, on the back here we have 3 1/4-inch screws that have to be removed. Let's take these out. Then, to remove the top panel, you will simply push back, start to lift up, and set it to the side. Now that we have that taken off, let's go ahead and start to remove the console. We have 2 1/4-inch screws on top. Pull these out here. Then let's slide the dispenser out. You'll press the button toward the back left and remove it. And underneath here, we have 2 T20 Torx screws that have to be taken out. Once you have these removed, you start to slide back on the dispenser a little bit, and you'll lift up on the console to slide it forward. Disconnect your Molex inside of here. Gently pinch and pull. And then set your console to the side. Now that we have the console removed, we have clear access to the buzzer. Now the buzzer is mounted right on the console. It's this little black box here. And the main reason why you would need to access this buzzer is if there's no audible tone at the end of the cycle. Now, prior to replacing your buzzer, what I would recommend doing is a good visual inspection through here and make sure there's no corrosion on the actual user interface itself. If there is any corrosion, what you'll want to do is get some electrical contact cleaner and a Q-tip and clean it up really good. Now if there's no corrosion and the buzzer is just bad, it will need to be replaced. And in order to replace it, you'll have to remove this Molex. It has a little locking tab right on the end here. You simply press in and start to pull up to separate. You may have to use something to pry it up, as this is a little bit stiffer of a connection and you do not want to damage your user interface. There we go. And then to release the buzzer is held on here at the top. You'll press in on these tabs and lift up and then set the buzzer to the side. When installing your new buzzer, we will slide the bottom square portion underneath this spot here and press in to lock it in place. And then you're going to reinstall the Molex. Now, if you remember correctly, it was kind of stiff coming off. It's going to be the same way going on. You have to press hard until it clips in. Now we can reinstall the console. When reinstalling your console, first you're going to bring it in at an angle and gently slide back in our Molex. Then slide it in to where it hooks onto the front. Should clip in place. We will bring our dispenser back into position and then go ahead and reinstall your 2 Torx screws. Slide back in your drawer, switch back over and reinstall the 2 1/4-inch screws on the top. Now we can reinstall the top. When reinstalling your top panel, you'll want to start it back a little ways and you'll want the slotted portion to be on the front, the screw portion to be on the back. Drop it down and it'll stick out probably about a 1/4 inch. Drop it in, and finally, let's go ahead and reinstall the 3 screws. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.